I love talking about seasons because each one has its own charm.
I agree, every season brings a new feeling and different memories.
My favorite season is spring because everything looks fresh and colorful.
Spring sounds wonderful. I like how flowers bloom and the air feels light.
The smell of flowers in spring always makes me feel happy.
That scent really changes the mood and makes people more cheerful.
I enjoy walking in parks during spring to see the green trees and colorful gardens.
I also love spending time outdoors when the weather is gentle and calm.
Spring gives me energy and motivation to start new things.
It feels like nature's way of telling us to refresh our lives.
I usually wear light clothes and pastel colors in spring.
Those colors match the beauty of the season perfectly.
I love taking photos of flowers and butterflies during springtime.
That sounds peaceful. I like capturing the sunshine on leaves.
Do you know which season makes me feel most alive?
I think you enjoy summer because of its warmth and brightness.
You are right, summer is my favorite season.
Summer reminds me of vacations, beaches, and fun times.
I love wearing light cotton shirts and sunglasses in summer.
That's a great combination for sunny days and fresh air.
The long days in summer allow me to do more outdoor activities.
Yes, the sunlight lasts longer and gives more time for adventures.
I enjoy eating ice cream and drinking cold lemonade in the summer.
Cold drinks and ice cream are the best treats in hot weather.
The beach is my favorite place to visit in summer.
The sound of waves and the salty breeze make everything peaceful.
I often play volleyball and swim with my friends at the beach.
That sounds fun. I usually go for a walk near the water at sunset.
Summer evenings are my favorite because of their golden skies.
I love that soft golden light before the sun disappears.
The warmth of summer always makes me feel relaxed and free.
It gives a sense of joy and makes every day feel like a holiday.
But sometimes the heat can be too much to handle.
True, especially during noon when everything feels too hot.
That's when I like staying indoors with cool air and cold drinks.
I read books or watch movies when it gets too warm outside.
Do you enjoy rainy days during the summer?
I do, because rain brings a refreshing break from the heat.
The smell of rain on dry soil always feels special.
Yes, that scent after rain is one of my favorite smells.
I love standing by the window and watching raindrops fall.
I like that too. It makes everything look calm and beautiful.
Sometimes I listen to soft music during rainy afternoons.
That makes the atmosphere even more relaxing and cozy.
Do you think autumn is also a beautiful season?
Yes, autumn has its own unique charm with colorful leaves.
I love how the trees turn red, yellow, and orange in autumn.
That mix of colors makes nature look like a painting.
Walking on fallen leaves creates such a soothing sound.
I enjoy that crunching sound under my feet during walks.
The weather in autumn feels cool but not too cold.
It's the perfect balance between the heat and the cold.
I like wearing light jackets and scarves during autumn.
Those clothes make the season feel stylish and comfortable.
Drinking warm coffee or tea feels perfect in the cool air.
I enjoy that too. It warms the hands and the heart.
Autumn evenings with candles and soft lights feel magical.
Yes, that atmosphere brings peace and a sense of comfort.
Do you think winter has its own beauty as well?
Definitely, winter has a calm and quiet kind of beauty.
I love watching snow falling outside the window.
Snow makes everything look pure and peaceful.
I enjoy wearing cozy sweaters and sitting near a heater.
That's the best way to enjoy a cold winter night.
Hot chocolate becomes my favorite drink during winter.
It feels like a warm hug on a cold day.
The holidays in winter bring families together.
That's the most beautiful part, sharing warmth and love.
I love decorating my house with lights during winter.
Those decorations make everything look bright and cheerful.
I enjoy spring because the soft breeze makes me feel calm.
I enjoy spring too because the fresh flowers make my mornings brighter.
I love the warm light in summer because it gives me energy.
I love the long summer days because they make outdoor walks pleasant.
I like talking about autumn because the colors make me feel peaceful.
I like autumn as well because the cool air helps me relax.
I feel happy in winter because the quiet mornings feel cozy.
I feel comfortable in winter because warm drinks make the season enjoyable.
I choose spring as my favorite because the new leaves give me hope.
I choose spring too because the gentle weather helps me stay active.
I think summer feels exciting because beaches become lively.
I think summer feels joyful because travel becomes easier.
I prefer autumn because the falling leaves look beautiful to me.
I prefer autumn because the soft wind makes my daily walk pleasant.
I enjoy winter mornings because the stillness feels peaceful.
I enjoy winter nights because the calm sky helps me rest.
I describe spring as refreshing because everything starts growing again.
I describe spring as bright because the sunshine feels soft.
I like summer evenings because the warm air feels relaxing.
I like summer sunsets because the colors make me feel inspired.
I appreciate autumn because the golden trees look magical.
I appreciate autumn because the soft rustling sound feels soothing.
I feel comfortable in winter because the atmosphere feels gentle indoors.
I feel warm in winter because layered clothes make me feel protected.
I think spring festivals feel cheerful because everyone seems happy.
I think spring holidays feel lively because the weather supports outdoor fun.
I enjoy summer fruit because the sweetness reminds me of holidays.
I enjoy summer fruit too because the cool taste feels refreshing.